Hi, my name is Karina, and I'm a founder of TaQadam. We make visual data AI-ready, and we bring work of the future, human in the loop, to youth in the post-conflict areas. When we think of artificial intelligence, we often think of singularity. When artificial intelligence will match human intelligence, robots take over, something very distant. But think about this way. It's about machines see what we see and understand what we understand. We see elephants. Machines see an array of pictures, an array of pixels. Unless we show them how elephants look like and how many of them. That is called metadata, and the process called image annotation. A human generates 1 gigabyte of data daily. Most of it is visual. Sensors, satellites, drones, and traffic cameras generate millions of gigabytes of data daily. It's often underused because it's missing insights and metadata. Companies and governments see a tremendous value in recognition what is within the picture to apply to existing business processes and operations. AI is happening now, but the data is not ready. They hire expensive agencies and machine learning engineers, but they end up spending 80% of their time preparing the data set instead of training the algorithm. Metadata for images is a powerful resource to build smart city solutions. Advanced use of drones into environmental protection and agrotech, and amplify customer journey online, just to name a few. The industry is $5 billion in 2022, and what we know, that there is a huge need for billions of images to be annotated. This is where TaQadam comes in. We offer on-demand, vertical-specific, high-quality image annotation at scale. How? By transforming a social challenge into a business opportunity. This is Sindus. I met her last fall in Lebanon at the UN-organized digital course for youth. She fled Aleppo, bleeding heart of Syrian civil war. Today she's a refugee, unemployed, living in a post-conflict economy. Lebanon has a 40% of youth unemployment. But think about 60 million jobs that needs to be created to stabilize Middle East. Conflicts happen, but there's something unique about our era. Billions of us connected. Digital economy has no borders. It works for everyone and everywhere. What is the difference between a refugee with a smartphone and a digital nomad? We create work on the future on a mobile phone, image annotation, in a post-conflict economy like Lebanon. Our cloud architecture allows us to process our high volumes of data from the client in a secure, simple way, distribute it on a gamified mobile application, and bring human in the loop. Let's go back to our elephant use case. There are at least 10 large companies and governments that, at the moment, developing AI solution for the elephant census and anti-poaching. We develop an API so the client can submit high volumes of data, like 100,000 images in that case, of raw drone imagery. We bring them a team that's specialized on anti-poaching environmental protection. We gamify the experience, so they work on the mobile phone from home, but deliver high quality and timely annotation service, and get paid using integrated mobile wallet. And a client receives data ready for AI at the price of 25 cents per annotation, but this very contract is $75,000 worth. How do we scale? We plug into existing recruiting and training programs at the United Nations, allowing us to bring thousands through partnerships. We're very happy to be in this accelerator. It allowed us to finalize our product development, so we start our first 3 domains in the drones, fashion, and lifestyle industries, but also we're planning to scale up use case by use case. We have a team with a unique experience from UN, innovation, business, technology, and machine learning. And we're currently seeking for 200,000 pre-seed round of grants in angel funding to get us there faster. We will generate 10 million revenue in the 3rd year and bring work to 5,000 youth. But we're also looking for strategic business opportunities and partnerships, so we can get into large-scale contracts, building smart cities, resource management, agro-tech, and disaster risk reduction. With us, not only we offer competitive and unique service specialized on your use case, you also bring an opportunity to women like Sindus to make, by working only 2 hours a day, make a double poverty threshold. So she can progress and thrive as you advance your technology. Because TaQadam means progress in Arabic. It's progress for AI and progress for humanity. And I will finish with the quote of US Nobel Peace Prize winner Jody Williams. Sustainable peace is not about arming ourselves to the teeth, so other countries arm themselves to the teeth with the weapons that we produce and sell to them. It's about giving everyone an access to resources to live a dignified life. And we can start with $8 a day. We can start with TaQadam. Thank you.